Primary School is located on the lands of the Bunurong people, and we wish to acknowledge them as traditional owners.
We would also like to pay our respects to the elders, past, present, and Aboriginal elders of the other communities who may be present today.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair. Beneath our radiant Southern Cross, we'll toil with hearts and hands to make this Commonwealth of ours renowned of all the lands. For those who've come across the seas with boundless plains to share, with courage let us all combine to advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia
Namaste, Ayobawan, Kia ora, Kia orana, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School online assembly. Well, we started the week off with our cross-country run, and what a wonderful day. Absolutely brilliant to see so many children put such an excellent effort into the activity. Big smiles, children, great to see you having lots and lots of fun. And I must say a really big thank you to all the parents who came along to support on the day. A very special thank you to Mrs. Ellis for her organisation, and a big thank you to all of the teachers who assisted on the day with setting up, with organising events, riding the bike around to lead the way around the track, and packing up at the end of the day. So congratulations, children. We look forward to many, many more fun activities at whole school level. You may not know this, but this week many staff at the school took part in a first aid course. It meant they stayed back quite a while after school, completed all the requirements of the first aid course. So now they are ready to assist children should we have children become injured, ill, whether it be at school, on excursions, camps, or any time that we're working together. So a big thank you to all the staff who gave up their time. My next message is the SWPBS message. Next week, we're focusing on respect in the classroom, and we work independently when directed, and we are quiet while others are working. And I know your teachers will be reinforcing those messages during the course of the week. Well, on Monday, it's a public holiday, so the teachers don't have to come to work. The staff don't have to come to work, and of course the children don't have to come to work. So please enjoy a safe, relaxed day, and for our students, please ensure that you read every single day. Thank you, everyone. I look forward to seeing you around the school. Take care now.
Hi everyone. Well, it's taken us a little bit of time to get back into the swing of it this year, but back by popular demand is Getting Giggly with Mrs. Wrigley. Who is ready for a joke? Our very first one of the year. What has 2 legs but can't walk? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. All right, time's up. What has 2 legs but can't walk? A pair of pants. I hope that one put a smile on your face, and I would like to challenge you to put a smile on someone else's face in the next week. I'll see you all again soon.
Please remember to show our SWPBS expected behaviors.
This is Adore You.